Hello, this is Maria here, and today I'm gonna be doing a makeup in these 2 pages of my junk journal. This is actually a very special journal that I am decorating all with orchids, and every topic is about of orchids. But in here I have this little bird, and I decided to use this stencil to place something like our story. This is really fun. I'm using this stencil from the Dollar Tree and also acrylic paint. Is a brown, very dark brown. So as you can see, I'm using a dry pencil and I'm just tapping on top of the letters so I can have them in my page as a composition that I'm going to be doing, because I was inspired by the brown and that bird that I have on the following page and the bee that is down in the flower. I'm going to use this little branch to place it on the bottom part of the bird so it can look that it's be standing on it, or it's going to give it a little detail, and I like it because I really love nature. So the result is really nice. You're gonna see, you see how cute it is. That bird came from a brochure I had, and then I placed a little bit of thread in the back as pink, and of course this label here is a pocket, so that label is also about orchids. So I hope to finish this journal pretty soon so I can give you a flip through and you're gonna love it. The next step I did was I looked for something to put in the center of the page, and I remembered I have this paper that comes from some chocolate and is exactly the same brown, and I love those two circles in gold, so I decided to use it in this page. So as always, we just add glue. This is a special glue that you can use for fabric, for vinyl, for plastic, for everything you want to glue, and of course with paper. So I'm gonna do that really quick. And also this looks like a little bit plain, so I want to give this more detail, and probably I'm gonna do a little collage here. So I'm using a little piece of cardboard, and I just remove the first layer of the cardboard so I can see all those little lines, and I'm gonna use it to give a little bit of texture to this page. And also this other piece of paper that came from Michael's, and it was one paper full of stamps, like when you travel and they place those stamps in your passport. So I love it because it has the same color as the little thread in the back of the bird, so I'm going to have the same combination and the same match for those two colors over there, and I really love the result. Okay, so that's my collage, and I'm gonna decide to leave it like that. Probably in the future I can add something to the center of the brown dot there, but I still don't know. So right now I'm going to decide it like that. So I'm looking for some detail. I decided to place something in the center. So I have this photos album that I use to keep all my labels and all those little pieces that I like to have. And in order to decorate my journals, it's an easy idea that you can use, and it's easy way and a clean, organized way to keep all your little pieces in the frames you have, or all the little pictures or drawings or any cut you have for any book or stickers. So it's an easy way to organize. So I'm looking for something that matches with the brown and the gold and also the yellow that I have in that page, and I think this here is the perfect one. The only thing is this is a little bit glossy, so you're going to be seeing this shiny from the lamp here in the screen, on the screen, but it's okay. So you'll know that in person it looks like a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the page giving the touch of nature, another touch of nature. I'm deciding if place it over here because that's another pocket and that has a lot of yellow, but let me see. I'm going to tie the ends off, all the borders. I'm going to release them and I don't throw away the little pieces because I'm going to be using them to finish both pages in this amazing junk journal I'm preparing to show it to you pretty soon. I'm not sure where to place it. I still, as you can see, I keep like making testing or testing in this or that way, so I'm not sure. Let's see what is going to be the perfect spot for us to have this amazing view. It's like an autumn view. Everything is yellow, all the leaves on the trees are yellow and orange, so I think it's a perfect match for this page. As you can see, suddenly I decided to place it on the other page. I didn't want it to leave that circle empty. I was thinking like to place a number or probably a letter in the center of the circle, and I can paint it in gold, but I really don't have any gold paint, so I decided to place that little picture there. That is nice. And now I'm using my vintage photo distress to give it a little bit of old touch and vintage touch, and I'm also gonna apply some of it on the rest of the page on top of the collage I did, and also on the other page, like the background of the bird, so it looks like really like a vintage photo or a really old book paper. Hello, this is Maria here, and today I'm gonna be doing a makeup in these 2 pages of my junk journal. As a final touch, what I'm going to do is I am going to paint or to stamp some of the bees in here in that yellow spot, because I think the yellow is very related with bees because of the color of the flowers, the honey, everything is yellow. So I'm gonna stamp these bees in pink so I can still have the touch of pink that I have on the left in that flower where a bee is pollinating. So I hope you love this video as much as I do, and I hope you find some inspiration so you can start your own junk journal today. And please don't go away without subscribing, leaving me a comment, and also a thumbs up to this video. See you soon in my next episode here in Maria Creative Mind. Bye friends. Bye.